I set up Propeller officially about a year ago. So Propeller's going since July 2017. Predominantly we do brand strategy, brand identity, interaction design, and then also motion design, motion graphics, animation, and some design for print and packaging. Where I'm just not interested in just making things pretty, you know what I mean? For me it's about strategy and what you're trying to communicate. That's what I really enjoy, you know, and I think that's where we add a lot of value, you know, what Propeller can bring to the table. That I kind of had it as a project, a name for a project about years ago. Part of my master's actually, I kind of had this thing around Propeller, and then when I started the company I was just trying to think of a name that kind of that seemed to suit what I was about, like, you know. So for us, good design helps push things forward, you know, and for us we see design as an investment, not a cost, you know. So we're interested in working with people who see design and marketing and all that stuff around sort of helping you communicate. It's an investment, and if you invest time into it and money, then you'll get a return on the investment, right? So, you know, whereas if you identify it as a cost, then all business costs should be as low as possible. But if you're thinking of design and brand strategy and brand identity and brand development as a cost, then you know, you're not going to get the return on it. So yeah, that's where Propeller comes from, is that idea of being able to push things forward. I think the key thing with Sherpha is allowing you focus, and a big thing that's startups and small businesses and established businesses, you know, you're so busy being in business and just doing the business of being in business that actually working on your business is very tricky, you know. And I think everybody can identify with that if you're in business, and having Sherpha and that framework there as a point of focus, you know, and having Thomas and the Sherpha team go through that framework with you, support you, make sure that you're being held accountable, that you are actually sort of doing what you said you were going to do, or that you said to yourself that you were going to do, you know. So having that outside perspective is really important. So